In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Power BI. If you already have a licensed account, then feel free to skip this video. So for you that don't have a license to start, go to app.powerbi.com. You'll be greeted with this page asking you to enter your email to check if you need to create a new account. So I'm going to enter my email address and click on submit. So when it loads, it will detect you are using a personal email account. So the requirement for this is that you must enter a work or an organizational email address. So an email address with your company's domain at the end, not just Gmail or a random email address. So if your organization does not allow this process due to some security concern, or you don't have an organizational email address, so the workaround for this is to use your personal email address, your non-organizational email address to get a trial subscription to Microsoft 365, and then use that account which will have an on Microsoft.com as part of its extension to sign up for a trial for Power BI. So to do this, go on Google and search for Microsoft 365. And when you click on the first link, it will take you to this page. And on this page, you'll see this option, which is sign in or buy Microsoft 365. So click on buy Microsoft 365, and then you'll be greeted with this option. So there's for individuals and there's for business. So we are on the individual part of it. And if you scroll down, there are 3 subscription packages, but any one of them will work. But at the bottom, you see there's this option, which is try for 1 month or try free for 1 month. Anyone you pick would definitely work for the purpose of this course. So I already have an account, and I'm going to go back into this place and just click back and sign in with my account. So let me do sign in with my account, which is Yusuf. So, and once I submit that, Microsoft detects that as an organizational email account. And once I supply my password, I should be allowed to go in. So this is waiting for me to approve the sign-in request. So let me go in. So let me just do yes. Don't show this again, and click on yes. This will take us to a Fabric environment, but the Power BI section of it. And if you look at the top here, it is showing Power BI Home. So this is essential, this is important, and this is what you are going to see if you follow the step. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to install the Power BI desktop and how to connect the just created account to it. So like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next video.